Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will look at a previous CAT question on numbers. It's a question on remainder. Here comes the question. The remainder when 2 power 60 is divided by 5 equals to. Can you please try this first and then continue watching this video? Right. Remainders can be solved in three different ways. First one is pattern method. Second, remainder theorem method. Third approach is binomial expansion method. We'll discuss each and every method and try to solve this question here. In the pattern method, we try to identify the pattern each combination of numbers follow. Like for example, here you are given a power of 2 and asked to divide by 5. We'll start with 2 power 1 and try to identify the pattern the remainders have. Like 2 power 1 divided by 5, 500 remainder is 2. 2 square 4 if you look at it. Again 4 is less than 5, it doesn't go. 500 remainder 4. 2 cube 8 divided by 5, 5 ones, 5 remainder is 3. 2 power 4, 16. 5 3s 15 remainder is 1. 2 power 5, 32 if I consider. 5 6 30 remainder is 2. If you see the reminders 2, 4, 3, 1, again it repeated 2. So after how many values it is repeating? After 4 different values. In other words, this combination of 2 power something divided by 5 will have 4 different reminders. Every 4 places it will be repeating reminders. If you want, you can check 2 power 6 64. 5 12 60 remainder is 4. Is it repeated or not? So 2 4 3 1. Again you will get 2 4 3 1. Because every 4 places it gets repeated, divide the power by 4 and take the remainder as the power. Divide the power by 4 and take the remainder as the power. In case if remainder is 0, take the power as 4 because every 4 places is repeating. Here what is the power in 2 power 60? 2 power 60, the power is 60. If I divide by 4, 4 15 60, remainder 0. Why are we dividing by 4? Because every 4 places it's repeating. Because it's when divided by 4 remainder is 0, we should take power 4. If remainder is 1, we should take power. Suppose if remainder is 1, I should have taken 2 power 1's remainder as my answer. If remainder 2, 2 squares remainder as my answer. If remainder is 3, I could have taken 2 cubes remainder as my answer. But remainder can never be 4 if you divide by 4. If remainder is 0 means this number is exactly divisible by 4. Hence it's a multiple of 4. I should take remainder that 2 power 4 gives you. What is 2 power 4 gives you? 1. So that is my answer. So my answer is going to be choice A, 1. Since remainder is 0, I'll take 2 power 4 divide by 5, whatever is the remainder, that will be my answer. The answer is 1. This is pattern method. Look at remainder theorem method. Remainder theorem method, 2 power 60 divided by 5 means we can write it as 2 square plus 1. Now this 2 power 60 I can write it as 2 square whole power 30 divided by 2 square plus 1. If I think of 2 square as x for some time, is it not in the form of like x power 30 divided by x plus 1 kind of stuff? You know remainder theorem, if f of x is divided by x plus a, the remainder is f of minus a. What do you mean by f of minus a? In the place of x, we substitute minus a. This is the remainder theorem. So here, 2 square power 30 divided by 2 square plus 1, what is the remainder means? Since it is plus 1, remainder is f of minus 1. If it is x, in the place of x, we substitute. If it is 2 square, in the place of 2 square, we substitute. So minus 1. In the place of 2 square, I write minus 1 whole power 30. Minus 1 whole power 30 is plus 1. So the remainder is plus 1. This is the second approach, that is remainder theorem method. The third one is binomial expansion. You know, 2 power 60 divided by 5, what is the remainder is the question. If you look at 2 power 60, I can write it as 2 square whole power 30 by 5. 2 square is 4 power 30 whole power 5. If 4 power 30, I can write it as 5 minus 1 whole power 30 divided by 5. 5 minus 1 whole power 30. If you take a plus b whole power n expansion, you start with a power n and so on, you end with b power n. all the terms of this expansion will have a except this last term. Similarly, when I write 5 minus 1 whole power 30, all terms will have 5 except the last term. All terms will have 5 in it, means they're all divisible by 5 exactly. They don't give you any reminder. So only last term I have to take. What is the last term here going to be? Minus 1 whole power 30. Only that is not divisible by 5. What is minus 1 whole power 31? 1 divided by 5. What is the remainder? 1 divided by 5, remainder is 1 only. Whenever the number is 1 divided by 5, 500, remainder is 1. So that is my answer. This is the third approach, that is binomial expansion approach. A plus b whole power n expansion, if you recall, all terms will have a except last term. 5 minus 1 whole power 30, if I write the expansion 5 power 30 and so on, all terms will have 5 except last term. All terms will have 5 means all terms are divisible by 5 except last term. All terms are divisible by 5 means all those terms remainders are 0 except in the last case. The last term is minus 1 whole power 30, which is plus 1. Plus 1 when divided by 5, remainder is 500, remainder is 1. That's going to be my answer, because all other terms remainders are zeros. So hence answer is 1. So these are three different patterns to follow in the to find the remainder there, right? So thank you.